Looking for an affordable house in Cavite? Baka ito na yung hinahanap mo. This is a bank foreclosed townhouse located at Woodcrest 7, General Trias, Cavite. Good news dito, no bidding basta walang kasabay na buyer. Ikaw na agad ang makakakuha ng property. Property details, lot area is 40 square meters, floor area is 40 square meters. Meron na itong 3 bedrooms at 1 toilet and bath. Perfect for small families or even for rental investment. The selling price is only 1,500,000. To reserve the property, you only need 5,000 earnest money. For the payment terms, 20% down payment, then 80% through bank home loan. Take note lang po, bank fees and transfer of title are not yet included. And the property is as is where is. Meaning, kung ano po ang current condition ng bahay, yun po ang ibibigay ng bank. Mode of payment can be PDC, manager's check, cash payment, or bank home loan. If you want to check the actual property, free house tour assistance is available. Message us now for inquiries before maunahan ka ng ibang buyer. Again, this is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!